Hello, good day my future employer. My name is Maria Dacara. I live at San Juan City, Manila, Philippines. I am 39 years old and I am a single mother of the 2 children. The eldest is 16 boy and the youngest is 14 girl. I am an undergraduate in college. I have working experience abroad as a domestic helper, the first one in Lebanon. They are Lebanese family. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, taking care of the children, assist them in the kitchen. The second one experience was in Sofia, Bulgaria, part in Europe. They are Syrian family. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning the car, cleaning the garage, cleaning the garden, and taking care of the child and assist them in the kitchen. The third experience was in Hong Kong. They are Chinese and one newborn baby. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, marketing, especially taking care of the newborn baby. If you choose me, ma'am and sir, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities as well because I'm a kind, honest, trustworthy, hardworking employee. Thank you and God bless, ma'am and sir.